New at 5, an honor for a kindergarten student in Lakewood. He was named Student of the Month at a special assembly. Also had a special visitor.
Do you want to look behind you, Noah, and see who's here to give you your award? Who's behind you? Isla, Ava, you want to come on up?
You heard it there. Daddy! U.S. Navy sailor Joshua Lizardo has been stationed away from home the last 9 months. Today, he surprised his son and his 2 other kids at Stephen Foster Elementary School. They all got in on the big hug, group hug, we call it around here. An amazing moment for the family.
I love these stories. And I was also thinking the school must be so excited because they know it's going to happen, just waiting for that moment.
Yeah.
That is so special to see.
How do you top kindergarten after that?
You can't. I mean, we can put that on repeat. That was so great to see.